Buckle up, we're counting down 15 insane new airguns that just dropped at SHOT Show 2026. From next-level precision rifles to high-power PCP monsters and futuristic designs that redefine performance, this year's lineup is off the charts. Whether you hunt, shoot targets, or just live for airgun tech, these releases are guaranteed to astonish. Number 8. Gamo Riser Punisher. The Gamo Riser Punisher is a PCP air rifle built for hunters and target shooters who want real performance. Offered in 4.5mm and 5.5mm, it produces 27 joules, 4.5, and 40 joules, 5.5, with speeds listed at 410 meters square and 360 meters square respectively. A 10-shot multi-shot system enables fast, consistent follow-ups, while the Whisper Fusion silencer tames the report. Powered by PCP and fitted with Gamo's CAT 2-stage trigger, the Punisher delivers smooth brakes and strong energy. A wooden stock gives classic ergonomics and stability, and a safety trigger lock adds handling confidence. An RRR rail makes optics simple to mount. One magazine ships with the rifle, extras sold separately. Rugged, refined, and reliable, ideal for fieldwork and precision bench rest. Number 7. Umarex Primal 20. The Umarex Primal 20 squeezes big bore PCP performance into a compact, shooter-friendly package. Chambered for 20-gauge rifled slugs, its 2-shot magazine launches 395 grain slugs at about 700 feet per second for roughly 430 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. A rifled slug choke and compatibility with Invector-style chokes improve downrange accuracy, and the 20-inch barrel maximizes performance. The onboard 24 cubic inch air tank fills to 4,000 pounds per square inch via an end-mounted 1/8 inch Foster quick disconnect. Ambidextrous ergonomics and a 14.25 inch length of pull suit left and right-handers alike. Safety features include a push-through manual safety plus an industry-first drop safety. Weighing 8.9 pounds and priced at $749.99, the Primal 20 is a serious big bore option for hunters. Number 6. FX King GRS Stock. The FX King, fitted with a handmade GRS stock, is a premium hunting air rifle marrying FX engineering with shooter-first ergonomics. Its dynamic plenum and regulated system delivers smooth, tunable power and exceptional shot-to-shot consistency. Built-in quick tune lets you tailor performance to specific ammo, while dual-angled WIKA gauges show bottle and plenum pressures at a glance. Practical features include a 30 MOA Picatinny rail, adjustable trigger, side Picatinny rails for accessories, and barrel options, 500mm or 600mm, with superior liners. Available from .177 to .35 calibers, and offered in right or left-handed Nordic Wolf laminate GRS stocks. Each King ships in a protective hard case. MSRP $2,599.99. Number 5. Daystate Blackwolf. The Daystate Blackwolf is a versatile, high-performance PCP platform built for modularity and precision. Its modular design lets shooters swap barrels, calibers, and stocks in minutes, essentially one gun, several personalities. The rifle features Daystate's largest regulator chamber, a tensioned ART barrel system for improved rigidity, and an optional 711mm slug barrel for long-range work. A 20-stage power wheel enables fine adjustments on the fly, and an 8-point adjustable trigger, 8 ounces to 3.5 pounds, helps you dial in the perfect break. Low-profile ergonomics, ambidextrous controls, and a reversible side lever improve handling, while a slanted Picatinny rail with 20 MOA enhances scope alignment. With titanium valve tech, bottle or alloy cylinder options, and future upgrade paths, the Blackwolf is flexible precision engineering. Number 4. FX Leopard. The FX Leopard bullpup fuses accuracy, punch, and compact tactical design. Leveraging FX's latest tech, it's available in bottle and tube configurations so shooters can choose high onboard air capacity or a lighter tube layout. A 54 cubic centimeter plenum and AMP MKII regulator provide smooth, adjustable air delivery. Quick tune and a 2-stage adjustable trigger make setup fast and repeatable. A new rotary magazine accepts long projectiles, including heavy slugs, and a 20 MOA scope rail plus M-LOK ARCA. Mounting options support long range and accessory needs. Balanced ergonomics, ambidextrous controls, and rigid barrel mounting make the Leopard equally suited for hunting, bench rest, and tactical precision roles. A high-end, future-proof platform for demanding shooters. Number 3. Umarex Complete NCR. The Umarex Complete NCR brings cartridge-based PCP simplicity to a compact .22 rifle. Each disposable Nitro Air N2 cartridge enables the rifle to send 11.9 grain pellets at roughly 975 feet per second, 1,075 feet per second with alloy, producing about 25 foot-pounds and delivering 45 plus shots per cartridge, thanks to an internal regulator set at 1,800 pounds per square inch. The package includes two 10-round magazines, a 4x32 scope with rings, Picatinny rail, and M-LOK slots, plus a smooth side lever action for speedy follow-ups. Umarex's silence air tech and gunpowder-free firing make it quiet and low-maintenance, no compressor or pump required. Light, eco-friendly, and easy to use, the Complete NCR is great for small game hunting and stealthy backyard plinking. Price: $219.99. Number 2. Umarex Gauntlet 2 SL. The Umarex Gauntlet 2 SL is a rugged PCP designed for dependable field performance. Its side lever with knurled drop-down handle and removable 24 cubic inch aluminum cylinder keep things simple and reliable. Built on an aircraft-grade aluminum receiver, the Gauntlet 2 SL features caliber-specific regulators and impressive velocities up to 1,075 feet per second, .22, 985 feet per second, .25, and 1,000 frames per second, .30, depending on the projectile, with as much as 99 foot-pounds in 30. The rifle includes a precision tactical synthetic stock, single-stage adjustable trigger, built-in manometer, height-adjustable cheek comb, textured butt pad, and a 28.25-inch barrel. With M-LOK slots, Picatinny rail, Foster fill port, a 4-baffle moderator, and included magazines, it's quiet, modular, and built for high shot counts. Number 1. Umarex Zelos. The Umarex Zelos is a compact, high-performance bullpup PCP engineered for fast follow-ups and accuracy. Side lever operation and an 18-round magazine make cycling intuitive, while a 26-inch barrel and user-adjustable regulator produce consistent performance roughly 1,000 frames per second, with a 12-grain .25 pellet and about 36 foot-pounds of energy. The Zelos sports an integrated Picatinny rail, a 2-stage adjustable trigger, and fills to 3,625 pounds per square inch for solid shot counts. The bullpup layout shortens overall length without sacrificing barrel length, making it handy in tight stands or for transport. Rugged and shooter-friendly, the Zelos is an excellent compact, magazine-fed PCP for plinking and hunting. MSRP: $649.99. Thanks for watching. If those incredible AirGuns blew your mind, don't forget to like and subscribe for more SHOT Show coverage and detailed reviews. Tell me in the comments which model impressed you most and which one you'd like to see tested first. Hit the bell icon so you never miss future hands-on demos. Until next time, stay safe, shoot straight, and keep testing.